This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Ford Mustang. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.